Hi everybody, Rose here. Thanks for joining me, and I'm outside today before it hits 100 degrees, and we're gonna do a pendulum painting. I've done this once or twice about a year ago, and I'll show you the setup. So we have a piece of wood with a hook, and I've got fishing line down to a cup, and I've got fishing weights, and there's a hole at the bottom of the cup, but it's taped off. And the wood is on a ladder because I don't have a garage like a lot of pendulum pours paintings, and we're gonna give this a whirl. So, okay, ready? You need a cup, I have a box I'm gonna catch it in. And I have an assistant, so, and then my furry friend's inside. All right, so, hold on. A quick and easy pendulum. You don't need a lot of paint. That was just house paint bought at the mist tints at Lowe's for $2, and I added some Floetrol, and I'll show this to you dry. It's kind of a fun thing to do. All right, peace everybody. All right, here it is dried, and I've actually put a coat of spray varnish on it. So the color is like a minty green. I know it's not really shown on camera, and when I did it, it looked white, but it is a mint green. And yeah, it's really fun and cool. And you know, you could put multiple canvases out to get the outer edges, which that might be what I do next time. But here it is, Pendulum 4 without a garage, and give it a try. It's a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me, and peace everybody.